This 2024 Keystone Passport Grand Touring East 3352 BHGT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Keystone is 38 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, oven, skylight, air conditioning, water heater, leveling jacks, stove top burner, external shower, slide-out, awning, TV, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Passport Grand Touring East 3352 BHGT is 7,665 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.